Hey boys and girls, here's one called How to Find a Friend by Maria S. Costa. How to find a friend. This sounds very interesting. When Squirrel moved into her new treehouse, she thought she might meet a friend at the playground. But she didn't. Psst, I'll help Squirrel find a friend. When Rabbit moved into his new burrow, he thought the cafe might be a good place to meet a friend. But it wasn't. Hey, I'll help Rabbit find a friend. Who is that? What if I'm the only animal in the wood? Wondered Squirrel. But you're not. What if I'm all alone in the whole wide wood? Pondered Rabbit. As if. It's such a shame that there's nobody around, said Rabbit. Look up there. I wish I could just bump into someone, thought Squirrel. You already did. Ouch. I've searched high and low for a friend, sighed Squirrel. You need to search lower. Really? I don't know where else to look, said Rabbit. Try behind you. Maybe I'm never going to find a friend, sighed Rabbit. Never say never. Shall I resign myself to a lonesome life? Asked Squirrel. Lonesome? Huh? At least I have my books for company, said Squirrel. How about a rabbit for company? If I keep myself busy, perhaps I won't feel so lonely, said Rabbit. If you keep going in this direction, you definitely won't feel so lonely. Oh my, said Squirrel. What a surprise, said Rabbit. Whoa, they bumped into each other. How come I never saw you before? Asked Squirrel. That's just what I was going to say, replied Rabbit. If only they'd listen to us. Perhaps they don't speak bug. The end. That was fun. See you later.